Set 1400 and they're racing now. Kona Breeze jumps well. In fact, a beautiful line. Camerata, one of the first to break it, and Mr. Applause is up there early as they settle into stride. And just with those horses is Real Dash showing plenty of dash here, and coming over is Super Fun on the outside. So it's Camerata from Super Fun, Real Dash, Mr. Applause, and Red Nav showing a bit of speed on the outside, about fifth. And they were a couple of lengths in front then from Kona Breeze is on the inside. Elysiana is out three wide. Perfect Company's in the centre. 2 lengths on Uppity Miss in the pinkish colours, who's on the outside of Leadfoot, being followed by Lon Costa, Shenry Meadow, and 2 or 3 Kincapel Chief. So Camerata at the 700, a half in front. Super Fun is running second, and Red Nav's a length away third. Outside Real Dash, who's just wanting to over race a little bit there, being followed by Mr. Applause, a length Elysiana. Perfect Company, Kona Breeze midfield the rail when they turned, and then came Uppity Miss. Leadfoot in between horses. Striped Cap trying to find his way through. He's working his way to the outside, and Lon Costa's a fair way back. So Camerata in front, Super Fun coming at it as they came out of the dip now. Red Nav is still there, and running on is Elysiana, and Leadfoot is back behind it, and Mr. Applause getting up on the inside. So Elysiana, Mr. Applause, the fence got the Red Nav. Reldas is pushing through with Leadfoot and Kincapel Chief. It's Elysiana, Leadfoot, Elysiana and Leadfoot and Kincapel Chief. They hit it, and Leadfoot in the middle just got there, I'd say, from either Elysiana or Kincapel Chief. The big eye-catching finish. Reldas is just off them in company there with Lon Costa, and down on the inside Red Nav, and then Shenry Meadow. Mr. Applause weak and late. Perfect Company followed further back by Super Fun, Uppity Miss, Kona Breeze, and Camerata about last in.